Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about: the Atefa Hidden Camera Detector. Let's dive into what makes this detector stand out from the rest. Firstly, it utilizes passive, wireless, and infrared scanning technology. Sounds fancy, right? But what does that mean for you? It means accurate detection of hidden cameras, eavesdropping devices, and even GPS trackers. Whether you're in a hotel room, a meeting room, or any other space, this device gives you the protection you need. Now, let's talk about sensitivity. This Atefa detector comes with 5 levels of sensitivity, allowing you to fine-tune it to your specific needs. Whether you need to sweep a large area or focus on pinpoint accuracy, this detector has you covered. But wait, there's more. With its wide range of detection, this device can pick up radio waves, 2G, 3G, 4G, and even 5G mobile signals. It can sniff out wireless signal transmitters, SIM card bugs, and GPS trackers. Plus, with a frequency detection range from 1 MHz to 6.5 GHz, it's highly versatile. And check this out, it's lightweight, compact, and easy to carry. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, you can slip this detector into your pocket or bag and have peace of mind wherever you go. Plus, with its built-in rechargeable battery, you can use it for up to 25 hours on a single charge. Talk about convenience. So, there you have it, folks, the Atefa Hidden Camera Detector. Whether you're a frequent traveler, a business professional, or just someone who values their privacy, this device is a must-have. With its advanced technology, portability, and user-friendly design, it's a game-changer in the world of surveillance detection. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech gadgets. Until next time, stay safe and stay savvy.